image or any analog signal. Okay, as we know that sampling and quantization is the process of digitization. So digitizer plays a very important role in digital image processing for converting any analog image into a digital image. In today's video lecture, we are going to start a discussion with a new topic, that is digital image processing system block diagram. We are going to understand all the blocks of this block diagram of digital image processing unit. But first you have to watch that earlier video where we are going to understand about a quantizer and sampling section. Okay, so digitizer plays very important role in this block diagram also. So we are going to start a discussion with digital image processing system block diagram. This block diagram consists with the multiple blocks there, that is image display, computer, mass storage, image processing hardware, hard copy devices, image processing software and image sensor. Okay, so the flow of this block diagram start with a image sensor. So first, what is problem domain? Whenever we want to capture an image, whenever we want to capture any movement or whenever we want to make any image, we need an image sensor there which is going to help us to convert or to capture that image correctly, and after capturing that image, further we have to process that image. For processing that image, very important block is there inside your block diagram, that is image processing hardware. Now this image processing hardware work with the collaboration of computer. This computer is a general purpose computer, but this general purpose computer provides the commands to image processing hardware. So what is inside the image processing hardware? Inside the image processing hardware we have an ALU there and digitizer. Okay, so according to the computer command, general purpose computer command, image processing hardware convert that image into either into a digital form, maybe it is going to convert into a various forms is what we require for storage purpose or further developing purpose. Okay, so image processing hardware consists with the ALU and digitizer. Okay, after that very important block is there, that is image processing software. Every image processing hardware is useless without a software. Why? Ultimately, codings or maybe logics is going to work on an image to convert it into a different form. Maybe we have to do an edge detection, maybe we have to further compress the image, maybe we have to enhance the image, maybe we have to process any algorithm on that. So whatever we have to do is there in an image processing software. Image processing software is a combination of algorithm which is going to used for converting your image into a different forms. Okay, then we have a general purpose computer there. This general purpose computer collaborate all the section or control all the section of digital image processing system. Okay, here after that we have a hard copy device, then we have a mass storage device and image display. So first, mass storage device. Whenever we are converting any image, whenever we are compressing any image, whenever we are processing anything on that image, the image need to get stored inside the mass storage. Okay, for that purpose we need the mass storage here. After that, if we want to display that process image, or if we want to first watch the input image, after that process that image and want to display that image on an image display, for that purpose we have here image display provided with this block diagram. Now hard copy devices. Hard copy devices in the sense we used to convert the image, for example JPG, various forms of the image are there. We are converting that image and ultimately we want to watch the hard copy, or we want to get the hard copies of that converted image or that process image. For that purpose we have a hard copy device section there which is going to ultimately provide us the hard copy of that. Very important thing is there, that is network. This network provides the network connectivity between all the hardware blocks of your digital image processing system block diagram. Okay, so it is interconnected with each other by using this network. So in this video we have studied about all the portion of your digital image processing block diagram. First we have an image sensor. In this image sensor sensor is ultimately going to capture image. What is the meaning of capturing image? It is going to capture the intensity, amplitude, coordinate and features of that image. After that, this image is further going to provide it to a computer section or to an image processing hardware section, where we have ALU and digitizer which is going to process that image according to the commands of general purpose computer. Then whatever processing is what we have to perform on that capture image is what ultimately get decided by image processing software, where we have a multiple algorithms, where by using that algorithm we can further compare the image, we can further enhance the image. Whatever we have to perform is what going to perform by using the image processing software. If we want to doing that operation, we have to store that image. That image is what we store inside the mass storage. Then we have an image display unit. Whenever we should process an image or input image is what get captured. That both the things is what get viewed by using the image display. And if we want to produce a hard copy, for that we have a hard copy device there. In this video lecture, we have studied about this block diagram. In further video lecture, we